Hello, this is Last Garden Standing here, and I'm going to bring you an episode on pumpkin seeds, how you can prepare them, and maybe a couple of different recipes, a spicy one as well as a sugary one. So here's the stuff that I've laid out. We're going to be using organic coconut oil, organic coconut sugar, cinnamon, vanilla extract, extra virgin olive oil, chili powder, sea salt, as well as here's the pumpkin seeds that I've already got prepared right here. And I'm going to divide it up in a couple different recipes so that we can see, a couple different flavors, but you can just do them plain as well. They're still good. Here is a squash right here. Since I've already done my pumpkin seeds, I'm going to do another video where I'm going to cut the squash and show you how I prepare the seeds in order to roast them. And you can do squash and pumpkin. All of them are the same. You can still do the same recipes, whether it's a squash or pumpkin. So, and here's, after they're done, I'm going to put them in these jars. Cinnamon sugar jar, chili seeds, and just pumpkin seeds, or we're going to do squash seeds. Either way. So now that we've done that, we're going to kind of get started. We'll just take a half a cup of pumpkin seeds, which I've got prepared and dried already. We're going to do the chili and kind of flavor it with lime as well. So first thing we want to do is get our olive oil. Pour that in. Then we want to get some chili powder. It's about half a teaspoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon of chili powder, and a half a teaspoon of sea salt. We will do that. And then we're going to mix it up so it's really mixed. These are going to be a little bit spicy, if you like the spicy things. Should be pretty good. That looks pretty good. So then we're going to just kind of squeeze a little bit of lime on it, just to give it that kick. Just got some fresh lime here. You can also use the canned or the jarred lime. Mix it up a little better. And then we're going to pour it on this papered cookie sheet right there. And whatever you do, you need to put them out kind of single file. Try not to let them overlap too much. Just let them spread out quite a bit. Don't want them to overlap because then that affects their roasting time. There we go. There's the chili one. Very good. And then we have the other one that's going to be more sugary. We've got our olive oil, our base, same amount, half a teaspoon there. And we've got a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract there. We've got a teaspoon of cinnamon. We've got 2 tablespoons of the coconut sugar. And we've got 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil. We're going to mix that all up so that it's really mixed. And that's going to be the complete opposite of our spicy. It's going to be very sugary. Get all those in there. Stir it up really good. Get them all covered. Okay. And we're going to put them out on the paper right with the chili. And we're going to make room here a little bit. Here's the sugary one. It's going to be really sugary. Sugar cinnamon. And you can do these singly if you want to. I just thought I'd do them together since it's only the two different flavors. Trying to get it so it doesn't overlap too much. It will affect the roasting time. Now what I've done is bake at 350. We're going to do it for about 12 to 15 minutes. Sometimes it's a little higher, like 400 or 425 for maybe 10 minutes. It just depends. You're going to have to experiment. So I'm going to put this in the oven. There it goes. And we're going to wait for 12 minutes. Let's see here. Okay, I'm going to set it by this one here, 12 minutes from now. And I'll be back.